All right, you guys. Now we're on. Hey, whoops. Okay, now we're on Main Street, heading north towards the plaza and the Circa under construction. And just a quick stop off at this field area. They have events here. I went to the rodeo show for the first time, actually, so it was my first rodeo over here, and it was interesting. All right, just a little quick thing. They have other events here. I'm not sure exactly what else, but this is a big empty field basically, and they can just have events. And I believe it's owned by the plaza, I believe. All right, okay, let's go north. North to Alaska to go north. The rush is on. Sorry, guys, I like the old songs. Way up north. Okay, now you can see the Circa is looking pretty good so far, but you know, all this construction and these harsh times have me worried if things will be completed or not. All right, okay. So just like I said, we're on Main Street. There's the plaza to our left, the Circa to our right, and the Golden Nugget to our right. We're coming up on the Greyhound bus station, which I'm sure if anyone has ever been in a Greyhound bus station, you understand my feeling and my shivering, because those places can be, yeah, I've done my share, okay? Those places can be fairly exciting, I guess is the most polite way to put it. And sometimes far, far, far too interesting. Okay? All right. Okay, so we're coming into Circa, and looks like they have a lot of the glass done. I really need to get out here with my big camera and get a proper review. But this is supposed to open in December 2020. That's just 8 months away, I guess. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 9 months away. 9 months away. So, you know, you could have a baby in this time, if you were so desirous. Now, as the Fremont Street Experience is closed and I can't walk through there, I'm just going to ride by and I'll show you the entrance of it. The entrance that's in front of the plaza. All right. Let me avoid this person up here. They're yelling at somebody. Yeah, another lost person, which is unfortunate. But check out the Circa. They have made a lot of progress since my last jaunt down here. Now, but first, look at the entrance to the what do you call it? Fremont Street Experience. It's closed. You know? And here's the Circa. Somebody's yelling at somebody about something. Who knows? Just keep on riding by. Okay, all right, let's pass that by. Here is the Taj Mahal garage. I believe 1,200 or so cars will be parked there. Here is the bridge, not complete yet. And here is the Circa. It should be a lovely place when it's done. Man, temper's flaring today, you guys. Ooh. All right, this is gonna be a short video, I think, of the Circa, or just be added into my ride-along video. I have yet to decide. All right. Now, let me just cross this street and get the hell out of here, as they say. Oh, sidewalk closed. Hey, caught a flyer. Oh, another jaywalker, huh? Or jay jogger, I guess. Where's this cat going? All right. Now it is a Tuesday. It's about 5 p.m., 5:30 right now. Not really sure. Hang on, no, not really sure. And there we are. This is taking shape quite nicely. And with all the madness going on these days, let's hope they can finish, and let's hope this other crap finishes and everything's better, everything's fine. Okay, let's hope so. All right, let's just run across the street. What was that? This is the California. Look at wind everywhere. East or west, the wind's in my face. Man, ugh. All right. I hear construction sounds going on. That's a good sign. All right, you guys, hang on a second. Let me see this road closed. Now this is the entrance that I would normally use if I'm filming to go on to the Fremont Street experience, but locked down. Locked down. Hey, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is Wednesday, March 8th, about 12:30 in the afternoon. I'm down here by the Circa to check on the progress. It is a cloudy, semi-cloudy day here in Las Vegas. The sun is shining, with the clouds, of course. It is a little, it is a little breezy at times. I guess 12:30 must be lunchtime. I see a lot of the workers heading off the site. I guess they're getting a bite to eat. And so let's see how things are progressing. Okay, I'm on Main Street across from the California. Just a shot from the backside. I'm not sure how it's gonna look. I'm using my older camera today. And there is the bridge, if you can see it. There is the bridge to the Garage Mahal across the street. All right. I'm at the corner of Main and Ogden right now. Just take a quick look over here. And here's our bridge. And on the Garage Mahal, woo, noisy. On the Garage Mahal, we got some guys in the cherry picker. doing some work up there. Very nice. All right. More of the garage mahal. Got some guys on the scaffolding today. That's always nice to see. Okay, this is the view from Main Street, just down by the plaza. And the glass, I can't really tell, double check, but I hope it's getting higher and higher. Got a crane moving to our right. So work is still going on here. All right, you guys, I think that is just about it. Like I always say, it's one man, one camera. You see me outside, say hello and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are, and have a great day, and take care of yourselves, all right? Adieu.